Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Now, us girls know a little something about hair, and there's a big difference between straight hair and sleek flat ironed hair. Well, this Conair double ceramic 1-inch flat iron is just the right hot tool to take your hair from straight to sleek. Some of the features that I really like about this hot iron are the fact that it has 5 heat settings, all the way for a low 266-degree setting for fine, fragile hair, up to 410 degrees for coarse, thick hair. But no matter what my hair style and condition is, I have the right setting for it. It's very easy to use from the base to the tip of my hair. I can get really close to my scalp so that I don't have any areas that are kinked. I get a really sleek look from root all the way to the end. You'll notice that these ceramic discs are kind of almost floating above the baseline of the flat iron. Now this is really great for 2 reasons. One, the material is double ceramic, which is going to evenly distribute the heat on my hair. But also this little floated base is gonna make sure that there's no divot on my hair. When I press them together, it means that it's gonna leave my hair completely flat. So whether you're looking for a drastic change to bring your curly hair straight, or you just have that naturally straight hair and you want to take it to the next level of sleek, reach for this Conair double ceramic flat iron and you will be so happy with the results. And that's my point of view.